Well, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel, The Real D. My name is Jackie, and my channel is about pursuing happiness, health, and fitness through positivity. That's what we are here for. We're here to empower one another, to share tips and messages so that we all can rise up together. So today I'm going to talk about empowering us women through dressing up. I had a previous episode about that and I've had good feedback, and so here I am doing a second one because I love dressing up. I don't have to buy new clothes, I don't have to buy expensive clothes. I just keep what I have and mix and match. So this is part 2 of our mix match session. And yes, when I say mixing and matching clothes, I also refer to using different pairs of shoes, matching your hairstyle, trying on wigs or hair extensions, or even changing the color of your lipstick, or doing makeup. You know, when I was younger, we were taught that makeup was a part of your daily grooming. So a little color on your cheeks, maybe experimenting with some eyeshadow, they're all a part of who we are now, and I'd like to encourage you all to give it a try just to see how it perks up your mood, because for me it perks up my mood. Like right now I'm recovering from a back pain. I'm okay now, so there you go. But look at what I'm doing. I am trying to empower myself. So what I did today was tried on some makeup and tried on some new extensions and a wig, and definitely feeling better, feeling empowered, even if I am physically disabled right now. But otherwise, I'll be back in the groove soon. So stay tuned for my exercise video, because right now I am trying to focus on toning these arms. So there you go. I hope you're learning lots from my video. I hope I'm able to help you in some way, because that's my goal. And thank you for supporting me. I hope you can share my channel too. If you think somebody will benefit from this channel, by all means share my channel. So tip number 1, before you buy clothes, look at your closet and see what you have there. You have dotted pants, you have jeans, you have a plain top, you have floral pants. By all means, put them together. Just make sure colors match. Pastels will go with pastels, and of course earth tones will stay with earth tones. And depending on how casual you want to be, you can wear open sandals or pumps, heels or flats. So it's all about knowing what you want to do, how you want to look, what mood you want to have, and you start dressing up. I'm just so excited because doing this perks up my mood, and I hope that it will perk up your mood too. Another tip, you don't have to wear clothes that have just come up in terms of the latest release or fashion or things like that. There are classic designs, there are classic lines, and these are the clothes that I hold on to. Classic colors, so I hold on to them because they are definitely reusable. They will stand the test of time, so to speak. So hold on to those. Even shoes like pumps, they stand the test of time, so I keep them, especially when they're a little expensive. Like I don't really want to throw them away. So yes, that's one. And of course, always dress appropriately for your age, appropriately for where you are going, what you are attending. Are you going to a party? Are you going to attend an awards night? I actually love awards nights. I do have gowns and I love them. So yeah, one day I'll get to wear them. So for those of you who are not as tall like me, I'm 5'1.5", you can feel tall, because I feel tall when I know that I'm wearing something that I look good in. I feel good and I feel tall. But honestly, if you want to look tall, just throw your shoulders to the back like you have a cape at the back, and keep your chin up, and that elongates the neck, so it makes you stand out. I love perfume. My favorite perfume is my Chanel number 5. And I'm actually almost out. My youngest daughter would give me my Chanel supply. Wear perfume. Not excessively, especially because there are people who have allergies, right? So just a little bit to, give you that scent of who you are. And wear the perfume that suits your character. When I was growing up, I was taught that you normally would only wear one perfume because it talks about who you are. And so since I was 19, I've only been wearing Chanel number 5 because I think that is me. It speaks to me. I love my perfume, and I'll have it all the way till I'm old and gray. Well, I'm getting there, so yeah. So there you go. Clothes should always reflect your personality. And whether we're older or younger, there are clothes that younger people and older people can wear, but it depends on how you carry your clothes. It depends on how you deliver whatever it is you're saying, or the accessories that you wear. Use your clothes to deliver a message and to make a statement, because sometimes you don't even need to speak. When you're walking inside a room and you're wearing these clothes, you are already creating a statement. If you think my channel is helpful, if you think that you're getting some good tips, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification button so that you get notified when I come up with a new video. I come up with a new video every Sunday at 10:30 in the morning. So stay tuned for that, and I hope that my video can provide you with some good messages, some tips along the way, and because that's my goal. My goal is to be able to inspire you, to empower you as much as you all inspire me and empower me. So we take strength from one another. We share our lights with one another. When you share your light, that doesn't dim your light. You become brighter together. So dress well, dress to suit your personality, and make sure that your clothes deliver a message, even if you didn't have to speak. Bye for now.